Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved use Volkswagen Caddy California Maxi, complemented in the candy white paintwork, housing your powerful 2-litre TDI engine and delivering 122 PS. This 2025 model does combine the everyday practicality with the freedom of camper van living, housing plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, stylish 18-inch alloys, and even the added protection of your power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors and rear view camera. And stepping into the rear load area, it does offer the ideal camping adventure with a fold-out bed and stored just below the 2 folding chairs and table with plenty of secure storage areas above. And of course you do also have your pull-out kitchenette with a cutlery drawer below, and on top you do even have a single gas burner for further practicality. Stepping into the rear, you will find the comfort of your cloth upholstery with even your pull-out trays with integrated cup holders, ideal on those longer trips. And moving into the front interior, you do have the convenience of your multifunctional steering wheel and of course a central touch display screen. Just opposite again you do have the comfort of a full cloth upholstery. And moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions including your options to navigate around your digital cockpit with the added driving assistance of your cruise control and speed limiter features, and of course options to navigate around vital driving data. Similar access will be found on your central display again, with your app Connect to stay connected on the go, and of course a wide selection of radio stations. You do have all of your safety features and of course the activation of your sensors and camera whilst manoeuvring. And for maximum comfort, of course you do have your on-screen climate control options, with the added bonus below of your power outlets and of course central cup holders and small storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.